Is your Samsung refrigerator constantly building up frost on the evaporator coils, which makes it a chore to clean, causing strange noises and not cooling properly? Introducing the innovative Samsung Defrost Kit, designed and developed by Invertech Canada, your one-stop solution to eliminate frost buildup, restore efficient cooling, and ensure a quieter refrigerator experience. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual defrosting and hello to these incredible benefits. Automatic Defrost Cycle. The defrost system intelligently monitors the temperature and activates automatically every 8 to 10 hours for 20 minutes, preventing frost accumulation. Noise reduction. Eliminate those jarring fan noises caused by frost buildup. Enjoy a peaceful kitchen environment with the Defrost Kit installed. Easy DIY installation. The kit comes with everything you need for a quick and simple installation. All-in-one kit. The kit includes a heating coil, quick electrical connectors, and metal ties, offering a complete solution for your Samsung refrigerator. High-quality materials. This defrost kit is meticulously designed and manufactured using top-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability.